Hello everyone, this is Stephen Robison here with my Perplexity AI teardown. The research tool that had me hooked, by the way, then let me down hard. I tested AI's 2025 academic impact, uploaded a few files, and hunted a YouTube channel. It blew at first. Then it slammed me. It was like with a paywall, and after just two uploads, I mean, it was just ridiculous. But the one thing with the demo, when I ran the demo, functionality was wow. It delivered a cited summary from 2025 about ARXIB, and it embedded a YouTube channel fast. I mean, it got it right up on the screen. Eye-catching and impressive. It was just, amazing. But the thing, the chat was smooth, and it was in less than 2 minutes to learn. I mean, and until that sneaky cap that they hit me with, I mean, it was really quick. And so the files, killing my flow and everything with it. I was going well with it, and I was really liking it. I was this close to going ahead and subscribing, but then they hit me with that 5 free pro searches or whatever, and then then I went ahead and used what would be not the pro, and then then they suggested I wouldn't have picked it, if I would have known that. But then I went back, uploaded 2 or 3 programming files, and bam, maxed out daily limit, and then that paywall again, it popped up $20 for the pro, right? Okay, but then it says for the max, which you get the multiple, all kinds of different types of tools to use. The max was $200. I was done. I got off the website, and I let down. I was really let down because it was so cold. It's just like just cut right there like that. And the money, it was just like being money hungry or something. The ethics behind that, I don't know. It's just I just see that wasn't ethical to do that, and it wasn't customer friendly. And basically I was very surprised with it, and when that happened. I had about the 1.5 minutes or so, the replay of the YouTube speed, and all that, and then the speed had me sold, until that upload cap hit me over the head, cutting me off from really experiencing the full system. It wasn't reasonable. I mean, just 2 or 3 tries and I'm out. I mean, that's the verdict, and then, they should have given me at least, a day to work with it or something like that. But, the upgrade to Pro, $20 per month for unlimited files if you need it, wow, that's exciting, right? But, well, why don't they try $5 for 5 days, or, a free month burst, or, for projects? I mean, they're going to hook you, with that, but without getting that feeling that they're trying to be greedy. So their shortness fueled my ambition to never ever return back to that channel, to that site again. And so and then the eye contact, the eye pleasing perspective of it was really amazing. It was very beautiful graphics and things like that, and they really sold it like that. But they lost their sale when they hit that paywall right away. Basically, that's my synopsis of that teardown of that. I would have done more if they would have gave me an opportunity to. But I was very impressed with it as far as the mechanics go, but they lost me with the price.